going through MAMBO steps. So if you imagine you're standing in the center of a cross, and each time you want to come back to the center of that cross. If you make a right MAMBO, it means you're rocking out onto the right, recover onto the left, and bring the right back to center and put all the weight in it. So recapping, a right MAMBO, right rock, bring the right in and step down on it, putting all the weight in it. A left MAMBO is doing the same thing, going out to the left this time, rocking out onto the left, recover onto the right, bring the left back to center and put the weight in it. Now for a back MAMBO. Back MAMBO, you're rocking back onto the right, recover onto the left, bring the right to the left and put the weight in it. That's if you're going back on the right. Now we can do a back MAMBO on the left, rocking back on the left, recover onto the right, bringing the left to the right and putting all the weight in it. So recapping that, first of all doing a back MAMBO leading with the right, then go into a back MAMBO leading with the left, ready and back, rock, step on the right, back, rock, step the left in. Forward MAMBO leading with the right, forward rock onto the right, recover onto the left, bring the right next to the left and put the weight in it. Forward rock leading with the left, rock forward onto the left, recover onto the right, bring the left in and put all the weight in it. So recapping those forward MAMBOs, leading with your right first, forward rock together, putting all the weight in the right, and forward rock on the left, forward rock together, putting all the weight in the left. Each time you do a MAMBO step, you want to remember to come back in to center. So you're stepping side, rock, center, side, rock, center, back, rock, center, forward, rock, center, and all the way through it's right, left, right. So we are stepping right, left, right, left, right, left, right, left, right, left, right, left. These steps are also useful if you're dancing salsa, where you'll be stepping like, for example, your cucarachas. Right rock together, left rock together, 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. So that would be, for example, your cucaracha in salsa. And also your forward and back basics in salsa. So say, for example, you're coming back on the left, 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7, 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. You can see you're using the MAMBO steps.